crepes now, and my problem is that I can never wait until there is a pile of it. I always end up tasting it while cooking it. Itadakimasho. So that's the plain crepe with only some sugar inside. Itadakimasu. Oh my god, guys, there is nothing like homemade crepes, and adding the rum definitely takes the whole thing to another level. So if, like me, you're a rum lover, add maybe a little bit more than what I put in the recipe in the description, okay? Of course, if you're a jam lover or like chocolate paste lover, you can spread some of it on top of your crepes. They will be amazing. Also, I find that usually the crepes are even better the following day. So what I do is that I make extra on the first day, and then I enjoy them also the following day for breakfast. Voila! I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you very soon with another quarantine video. Voila, bisous guys! Bye! Nice.